Okay, did you notice that you have a noise in the buzzing system for the door? Yes, that's what it's making noise. So I'm gonna explain to you how to remove that noise and make it work again. So first of all, you have to take the plastic off, and of course everything is falling because it's poorly installed. But anyway, that's what is making the noise. I'm gonna show you how to do it, how to fix it. You notice your installation has been done really poorly. Welcome to Florida. So this screw was not even holding, and that's why it came out. And look, all the wires inside, they have been left like that. And there is some probably wire touching to another one and making this stuff buzz. Because this stuff actually works like this. As soon as this got energized, it comes up, hitting this plate. It makes... The problem is how they make the power go to your transformer, the ring bell. It's this connection. Look, the disconnection is done poorly. Okay, now it works. Now it doesn't work. Now it works again. And my dog is really happy. So the whole secret is to fix this connection, and that's it. Now I'm gonna check if it is the wire or if it is just the connection. I have this Skybell. You have a screw over here. They already removed, and then you can take it off easily. So this guy has his own contact inside, and he's gonna close the power to the ground here. So remember the white cable wires inside? That's the ground, and that's what is giving us problem. Now let's go check it again. But this is actually just a switch. Yeah, it's gonna close the line. Okay, so this is your Skybell. You notice that your Skybell is a camera plus the button, and this is what is starting the chime. But this guy has a battery here, and you can also probably charge it from here. Now I'm gonna check it out, and that's why your doorbell is not working anymore, because this one doesn't work anymore. Probably the battery is dead. And you see, look at the battery shape. That's telling you that the battery is bad. There's a bump. That means, and I actually tried to recharge it from here, but it was starting to smell bad, like plastic melting or smoking. It was not smoking, but it was melting somewhere. So that means this contact is probably closed here, and it's gonna send the whole thing bad. So it's time to replace the battery.